Right, there's something in the reeds. There's a bird making a where sort of noise. I'm hoping to catch it. I thought there was only one. I think there's at least three. Funny thing is, I thought it had a longish tail and a dark thing there is the most unusual bloody fly. It's got black and white markings. I hope it's not a horsefly. It seems to have one hell of a proboscis. It's sitting right on the top of the glass monitor. It seems to be licking. So maybe it's not a biting fly, it's after the salt. It's got green eyes, just trying to remind myself for later. It's got a tan and black sort of stripy carapace, tan and black, very black wings with white markings on. And of course the birds are no longer making that noise, which is what I was kind of hoping to get on tape to play to my brother. I would like this bloody fly. Let's go see if I can get it onto something so I can get a picture. Birds have just landed over there, and I'm don't know whether this bloody fly is going to bite me. It's just come back and landed on my control switch. Oh, it's buzzing around my head now. After a run-in with a couple of horseflies or clegg flies and then that owl fly, I suddenly become worried about anything that doesn't look, if I'm not familiar with it. I thought I felt something on my leg. I'm getting paranoid now. Anyway, let's try and get these birds.